Improving your home's energy efficiency doesn't always require a full renovation. Sometimes, a simple window upgrade can make a remarkable difference. For homeowners in Sumter, Slider windows have become a top choice for boosting comfort, reducing energy bills, and enhancing overall home performance. With their sleek design and easy operation, Slider windows deliver both practical and aesthetic benefits, but one of their biggest advantages is energy efficiency. Here's why more Sumter homeowners are turning to Slider windows as their go-to upgrade for a more efficient home. Sealed for better insulation, Slider windows are designed to glide horizontally along a secure track, creating a tight seal when closed. This seal helps reduce air leakage, one of the leading causes of energy loss in older homes. In Sumter, where hot summers and chilly winter nights can strain heating and cooling systems, preventing unwanted drafts is crucial. Modern Slider windows often incorporate advanced weather stripping and insulated frames to keep conditioned air inside and outdoor air where it belongs. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy consumption and more consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Energy-saving glass options. One of the biggest contributors to a window's efficiency is its glass. Today's Slider windows offer a range of high-performance glazing options designed to reflect heat, block ultraviolet radiation, and provide additional insulation. Features like low emissivity coatings help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during Sumter's humid summers and warmer during colder months. Double or triple pane glass filled with insulating gases like argon adds another layer of protection. These gas fills slow down energy transfer between indoors and outdoors, creating a more stable interior environment. As a result, your home stays comfortable while requiring less energy to maintain ideal temperatures. Maximize natural light without excess heat. Sumter homeowners appreciate bright, sunlit spaces, and Slider windows are excellent for maximizing natural light. Their wide glass panels let in abundant daylight, which reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, another way to cut energy usage. Even better, energy-efficient Slider windows allow natural light to enter without bringing in excess heat. The right glazing can filter out solar heat gain, meaning your living spaces stay bright without turning into hot zones on sunny afternoons. This balance enhances comfort while helping to lower cooling costs. Durable frames that minimize energy loss. The frame material of a window can significantly influence energy efficiency. Slider windows are available in high-performance materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite options that offer excellent thermal resistance. These materials do not conduct heat easily, helping maintain insulation around the entire window system. Vinyl frames, in particular, are popular among Sumter homeowners because they resist warping, rotting, and cracking, problems often caused by the region's fluctuating humidity and heat. Their durability ensures that your windows continue performing efficiently long after installation. Easy operation that helps maintain efficiency. Energy efficiency isn't only about the structural design, it's also about how well homeowners can use and maintain their windows. Slider windows operate smoothly with a simple push, making them easy to open and close completely. Windows that shut tightly maintain a better thermal seal, reducing air infiltration and keeping energy usage under control. Thanks to their simple hardware and fewer moving parts, Slider windows also require minimal upkeep. A clean, well-maintained window performs better and lasts longer, reinforcing energy savings over time. Lower energy bills and long-term value. When you combine improved insulation, advanced glazing options, and durable frame materials, the benefits add up: lower monthly utility bills and long-term value for your property. Energy-efficient Slider windows are an investment that pays off through increased comfort, reduced HVAC wear and tear, and better overall home performance. For Sumter homeowners looking for a smart upgrade, Slider windows offer a powerful combination of style, functionality, and energy-saving benefits. With the right window selection and professional installation, you can enjoy a more efficient and comfortable home for years to come.